Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the start to finish of how I went ahead and trimmed my hair, straightened my hair, and did a little style. I'm showing you guys in the beginning of the video the products that I always been using on my hair. This is not a sponsored video. I've been kind of laying low with the sponsored videos lately. I just want to do more natural, everyday vlogging, you know, just organic type of videos. So again, this is not sponsored. I just really love to use these products. They sent me these products probably in late September, August time, and I've been using their products for quite some time, and this is just what works for my hair. I would really say that my hair type is probably a 4C, 3A type of texture. You guys swear up and down that I have like the best type of hair texture. It's super silky and all that. My hair, let me tell y'all, it may look really silky. My hair can fro up. I'm just letting y'all know that. Y'all swear that my hair does not get into a fro, and it's so nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, my hair is very nice, but my hair will fro up. I'm just letting y'all know. So one thing about my hair is my hair cannot take too much moisture. So I know a lot of times when people have similar textures to mine, they like to put a whole lot of hydration in their hair. That's where my hair different and kind of goes more towards the 3C texture, because my hair cannot take a lot of product. It will get super greasy, slimy, a whole bunch of caked buildup, and it just will not work for me. So the same thing with my skin, the less is better when it comes to my hair. So I just went ahead and shampoo my hair. I condition it as well. I will leave all of the products down below, and I also went ahead and did a leave-in conditioning spray. I will leave the name of that down below as well. So now I'm just going ahead and using a wide tooth comb just to comb out any other curls or kinks or neats that I have in the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. I love to use the Howto blow dryer. It does come with this tooth comb, so I love to use this for blow drying my hair. This is the first time I blow dry my hair, let alone straighten my hair in the past 10 to 11 months. I told you guys in August time that I just on a random Tuesday decided that I wanted to just grow my hair out. So my hair grows very fast. It grows super fast, and I knew that, so I just wanted to see how long it could get. So this is the first time that I have stretched my hair, blow dried my hair, straightened my hair since forever, and look how long my hair has gotten. You guys keep asking me how I grew my hair out so fast, you know, what do I do? And I'm just going to be completely honest with you guys. I just stay out of it. You guys always see me doing wigs. You guys always see my hair natural in a natural curly state. If I'm not doing a video, my hair is out in a fro, curly fro. I don't put any products in it besides the products that I did show you guys in the beginning of the video. I just keep it braided up. I leave it in a natural fro, or I just go ahead and wear a wig and braid it up, and that's literally all I do. I don't do any excess products. I don't do anything but what I just told you guys, and I promise you that it's very simple. So I'm just going ahead and trimming the ends of my hair. I didn't really feel like I needed to trim it, but I personally feel like you should trim your hair about every 6 to 8 months just to promote healthy hair growth. Like I said, this is the first time that I've done anything like this in forever, so I felt like it was the right time to go ahead and give myself a nice little even trim. I don't even know if I cut it evenly. I was more so just trying to trim the hair rather than cut it into a style. It just so happens that my hair is flowing down in like a bob type of form, but I did not purposely mean to cut it into a bob. That is just how my hair grew, and I mean, luckily it grew into like a little style. So I'm pretty sure if I went to the salon and got this done, like my hair would have been a lot more silky and pressed, like a silk press. But I mean, you guys swear up and down I'm a professional hairstylist. I am a learn as you go type of hairstylist. I am not licensed. I do not have my cosmetology license. I did not go to beauty school. I did not do any of this. I literally learned from YouTube, rewatching myself on YouTube, watching other people on YouTube. I really learned how to do my natural hair from Ivy. I swear to Bob, when I first got on YouTube and I was watching hair tutorials, Ivy, her hair texture is very similar to mine. Definitely her hair is a lot thicker than mine, but when it comes to the hair type, hers is very similar similar to my hair type. So I would literally always sit and watch Ivy's hair tutorials when she would go back and do like her natural hair videos all the time. And that's honestly, I lie to you not, how I learned how to do my natural hair. Like, I'm not even joking. Shout out to you, Ivy. That's my girl, you guys. But anyway, so I'm just literally going ahead and just clipping the rest of my ends and then doing a little swoop. There it is. I didn't want to do too much heat in my hair, being that this is the first time that I have put any heat to my hair in forever. I didn't want to over process it or anything like that. So I definitely could have went ahead and got my hair a lot more straight, but I didn't want to do any harm to it because I knew after this day I was not going to do this again for a very long time. So yeah, just watch and let me just show you guys what I do. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and did my makeup off camera. If you guys are wondering how I did this makeup, all I did was just do my foundation that I did in my Fenty review video. If you guys want to see that, definitely go ahead and check out my last video about 2 videos ago where I went ahead and tried out her new powders and her new concealers and also her new foundation shade in 445. That is literally my perfect match. So that is exactly what I did, and all I did was just put on her Fenty gloss and Fussy, and I put on my lashes from my lash line Laura and a style Ntyceeing. So that is literally all I did. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and do so. So I'm going ahead and just putting some Gorilla Glue on my edges. I'm telling you guys, this is the only thing that really holds down my edges. I've tried everything, but because my hair is natural and my hair will curl up in a matter of any type of moisture that touches my hair, this is the only thing that does not make my hair super curly, and it also holds down my edges. So a lot of people don't really like to use this for laying down their edges, but to each his own. Everything works for different people, okay? So just because it may not work for you, don't come for me because it works for me, okay? So I'm just using this little Annie edges brush that I got from the beauty supply store. So that's a little brush tool that I use, and that is pretty much it. I'm just going ahead and giving myself a little bit more swoop action and just making sure that any of the areas isn't frizzing up again. And that literally is the whole entire tutorial. I did not plan to do this tutorial. I literally just decided to wake up on a random Tuesday and decide that I wanted to see my length check, see how long my hair has gotten in the past 10 months or so, and I just wanted to straighten my hair just to see how it will be. This is the first time my hair has ever been this thick. I have never gotten my hair to be this thick before. I was shocked myself. My hair is usually super thin, but ever since I stopped getting texturizers and doing anything to my hair and wearing wigs and everything, my hair has gotten so long, it's gotten so thick, and it's just growing so freaking fast. So if it's not broken, don't fix it. I'm going to continue to wear my wigs, continue to have my hair braided up, continue to wear it in a natural state, and I just want to see literally how long my hair can get. I'm actually super excited. It's so cool that I really can just have you guys go on my whole journey, literally of my entire life, from me having short blonde hair to now my hair being this long, from me being literally poor to now having a house, from me literally having nothing to my name as far as a brand and now me having a brand. That is literally so cool, and that's the ultimate huge gift of just having a YouTube. You guys can literally just see people grow up, and thank you guys so much for all the positive feedback as far as me getting my new house. I move in the next couple of days, so you guys, I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for just always being so positive, always giving me super encouraging words of encouragement as far as my new house or my brand or anything that has to do with me. I literally love you guys. You guys are seriously my ride or die fairies, and I seriously say this all the time. I would not be anything if it wasn't for you guys. And hope to see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.